You can easily start the Event Study Metrics program by double-clicking the desktop icon or by selecting the program from the Start menu. In the following tutorial, we present the work process for the standard market model approach. To start your analysis, you need at least 3 types of data. First, a list of events. Second, asset prices or return data. And third, a security index such as the S&P 500 or the MSCI World. When you import the data, you can deal with the data in various formats and define a custom delimiter. To import your data, select the Import option from the File menu and choose between Event List, for instance the list of corporate, regulatory or macroeconomic events, or choose Dataset, which is the set of asset prices or returns. You can also choose Return Model. That is the price or return data for your security index used as a benchmark. Once you have imported your data, you can easily delete, edit, or add the events. You can use any kind of identifier in the event list and dataset, as long as both use the same identifier. Examples of identifiers include QSIPs, ISINs, CRISP perm numbers, or tickers. The dataset and return model can be imported in the same way as the event list. Regarding the dataset, you can either use return or price data. You can import a single index or up to 4 factors as your return model. Examples for the factors are Fama French or momentum factors. Once you have imported your data, you can specify the type of data, for instance, whether you use prices or returns, and you can define how the program treats missing values. If your dataset uses prices and your return model uses returns, or vice versa, you can use the price-return converter to make sure both have the same format before use in any calculations. Event Study Metrics provides you with the Event Date Check function that controls and optionally adjusts the event dates to avoid mistakes in your analysis. Whenever an event falls on a non-trading day, this event will be marked within your event list and can be changed to the next trading day. In the settings form, the Event Date Check function can be activated. If activated, an automatic event date check is conducted each time before running an event study. When you calculate cumulative abnormal returns, you can choose between simple or continuously compounded returns. You can use various return models to run event studies for stocks, bonds, or CDS. Event Study Metrics offers estimation methods that adjust for non-synchronous trading. Estimation and event windows can be customized. The program allows you to calculate up to 8 event windows at once. To get your results, simply click on the Run button. The program automatically calculates all abnormal returns and test statistics. Event Study Metrics provides you with all state-of-the-art parametric and non-parametric test statistics. The program includes the Kolari Pinnanen cross-correlation adjustment. This feature can be activated in the settings form. Event Study Metrics offers you graphical illustrations of the results and allows you to inspect and use all steps of the calculation. You can print and export all graphs and tables. To assess the robustness of your findings, you can easily change the setup of your event study and see all changes in your results immediately. To get results for subsamples, simply use the group function. To calculate buy and hold abnormal returns, simply click on the respective tab in the window. As shown for cumulative abnormal returns, you can select your estimation method and event window. Event Study Metrics provides you with a bootstrapped version of the skewness adjusted test statistic. Within the bootstrapping option, you can customize several settings. Event Study Metrics allows you to use matching models for cumulative and buy and hold abnormal return calculation. Matching firms and portfolios can be managed within the event list. To apply the Calendar Time Portfolios approach, simply click on the respective button. You can choose between the 3 and 4 factor models. You can choose between ordinary and weighted least squares. You can define the inclusion and exclusion date for each asset. Portfolio returns can be calculated on an equal or value-weighted basis. The time frame for inclusion in the portfolio is highlighted for each asset.